Hello everyone, welcome back to the manual testing interview questions and answers series. This is the part 16 video. As a part of this video, we are going to learn about scenario based question of the manual testing which is asked in the interview question. So below is the list of the interview question. So let's start with today's first question. Question is, what is the role of QA lead or QA manager? First, planning and strategy. Develop and implement test plans and QA strategies. Define the scope, timeline, and resources for testing activities. Ensure alignment of testing objective with the business goals. Second, team management. Lead and manage the QA team, providing mentorship and guidance. Allocate tasks based on a team member's skill and project needs. Conduct regular performance review and training session. Third, test execution and monitoring. Oversee test case design, execution, and defect management. Ensure efficient test coverage through both manual and automation testing. Monitor test progress using appropriate tools and metrics. Fourth, collaboration and communication. Act a liaison between QA teams, development team, and stakeholder. Participate in requirement review, providing quality focused feedback. Ensure transparent communication of test result and quality status. Fifth, risk management. Identify and mitigate risk related to the product quality. Prioritize testing efforts to cover critical functionality and potential risk. Implement contingency plans to handle unexpected issues. Sixth, progress improvement. In that, continuously evaluate and improve QA processes and best practices. Promote the use of automation, CI/CD pipelines, and modern testing tools. Analyze testing metrics to identify areas for enhancement. And last one, reporting and documentation. Provide detailed test reports including defect summaries and coverage report. Communicate progress and blockers to stakeholders, document lessons learned and suggest future improvement. So this is the role of the QA lead or QA manager. So let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is the role of testing in DevOps? In DevOps, testing plays a crucial role in ensuring delivery of high quality software through continuous integration and continuous delivery, that is CI/CD. Primary responsibilities of testing in DevOps includes first, continuous testing. Perform automated tests at every stage of the CI/CD pipeline. Ensure quick feedback on code changes to detect defect early. Second, shift left testing. Start testing early in the development process to find bugs sooner. Collaborate closely with developers and involve QA in requirement discussion. Third, automation. Implement test automation for unit integration, functional and regression testing. Use tools like Selenium, JUnit, TestNG, and Postman for test automation. Fourth, performance and security testing. Conduct performance and security tests in production like environments. Ensure applications perform well under load and are secure from vulnerabilities. Fifth, monitoring and feedback. Use monitoring tools to capture real-time data on application performance. Provide feedback to development teams for quick issue resolution. Sixth, collaboration and continuous improvement. Maintain open communication between development, testing, and operations team. Continuously refine testing processes to align with DevOps goals. So this is the role of a DevOps in testing. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is the role of Scrum Master? The Scrum Master is a servant leader who ensure that the Scrum team adheres to Scrum theory, practices and rules. Their primary role is to remove obstacles, facilitate collaboration and enable the team to work efficiently. Here is a breakdown of their key responsibilities. First, servant leader for the Scrum team, act as a coach, helping the team understand and apply Scrum's principles, protects the team from external distractions and interruption, fosters a self-organizing and empowered team culture. Second, facilitates Scrum events, daily stand-up, ensure meetings are time-boxed and productive. Sprint planning helps the team define goals and select backlog items. Sprint review facilitates stakeholder feedback on the product increment. Sprint retrospective guide the team in continuous improvement. Third, removes impediments, identifies and eliminates obstacles that hinder the team's progress, shield the team from unnecessary disruption. Fourth, promotes agile and Scrum value. Ensure adherence to Scrum principle, transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Encourage collaboration between the product owner and developers. Fifth, coaches the organization, helps stakeholder including management understand Scrum, promotes a shift from traditional project management to agile thinking. 6. Does not manage the team. Unlike a traditional project manager, the Scrum Master does not assign tasks or control the team but enables self-organization. So now let's understand key trends of a great Scrum Master: empathetic and patient, understand team dynamics, problem solver, quickly address blockers, good communicator, bridges gap between stakeholder and the team. In simple word, we can say Scrum Master is not a boss but a facilitator who ensures smooth, agile execution while fostering a high performing team. So this is the role of the Scrum Master. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is the role of product owner? A product owner plays a crucial role in agile project, especially in Scrum. The, they are responsible for maximizing the product value by managing the product backlog and ensuring the development team delivers what the business needs. Now let's understand key responsibilities of a product owner. First, define product vision. Establish and communicate the product vision and goals. Align product development with business objective. Second, manage product backlog. Create, refine, prioritize, and maintain the product backlog. Ensure the backlog items are clear, detailed, and actionable. Third, prioritization. Prioritize backlog item based on business value, customer needs, and market demands. Make trade-off decision when necessary. Then next, stakeholder collaboration. Act as primary liaison between stakeholders, customers, and the development team. Gather feedback from stakeholder to refine product features. Then next, define acceptance criteria. Clearly define the acceptance criteria for user stories and features. Ensure the development team understand the requirements. Then next one is support development team. Provide clarification during the sprint to development team. Participate in sprint planning, review and retrospective. The next, decision making. Make key decision on scope, features and prioritize. Ensure the product delivers maximum value to users. And last one, continuous improvement. Gather feedback from users and stakeholders to improve the product. Adopt the product roadmap based on the changing priorities. So this is the role of the product owner in testing. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is the role of risk management in test planning? Risk management ensures better test planning by focusing on critical areas, reducing product uncertainties, and delivering a more reliable product. Role of risk management in the test planning: first, identify risk, analyze the product to detect potential risks such as unclear requirements, technical complexities, and resource limitation. Second, prioritize testing efforts. Focus on high risk area with critical functionalities that are likely to fail or have severe consequences. Allocate more testing efforts to mitigate this risk. Third, optimize test coverage. Ensure test cases cover risk-prone modules by conducting risk-based testing. Fourth, resource management. Allocate time, budget, and resources effectively based on the risk level of different components. Fifth, define mitigation plan. Develop contingency plan and decide prevention measures to handle potential issues. Sixth, improve decision making. Provide stakeholders with a clear understanding of risk, helping them make informed choice. Seventh, ensure quality and stability. By identifying and addressing risk early, the likelihood of critical defects in production is reduced. So this is the role of risk assessment in test planning. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, how do you handle testing for legacy system? Handling testing for legacy systems can be challenging due to outdated technology, lack of documentation, and limited resources. However, a systematic approach ensures effective testing. Here is how you can manage it. First, understand the system. Gather information from existing documentation, code analysis, and stakeholder discussion. Conduct knowledge transfer session with a subject matter expert SME. Identify critical functionalities that are frequently used by users. Second, prioritize test areas. Focus on business critical and high risk areas. Prioritize functionalities that have undergo recent changes or have a history of defects. Perform impact analysis before making test plan. Third, develop test cases. Create test cases based on available documentation or reverse engineer through exploratory testing. Leverage existing user scenarios and production logs for test case creation. Design test cases using techniques like boundary value analysis and equivalence partitioning. Fourth, perform regression testing. Ensure extensive regression testing to validate that old functionalities are not broken by updates. Use test automation where applicable to reduce manual efforts. Manage data and environments. Replicate a legacy like environments using virtual machines or emulator. Prepare test data that covers real world scenario. Sixth, mitigate risk. Identify risk like lack of support for outdated technologies or limited test coverage. Develop contingency plan for unexpected failures. Continuous monitoring and feedback. Implement log analysis to detect issues proactively. Collaborate and stakeholders collaborate with the stakeholder for continuous feedback and improvement. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one video. Thank you.